Hi guys, we have this Nivea Original Care Lip Balm. So in this video, let's see its review. So this 4.8 gram of lip balm has MRP of Rs 149, but I got it from Amazon for Rs 119 and it has 3 years of shelf life. So the lip balm comes in a basic twist up stick packaging and it is enriched with shea butter. So this is how, and this much is the full lip balm. So this lip balm doesn't have any color, but it gives a nice glossy finish and it has a mild sweet fragrance which is hard to describe. It lasts for about 6 hours and it's convenient to reapply. The formula of this Nivea lip balm is simply amazing. It glides on smoothly and feels incredibly lightweight on lips. In case you have dry or chapped lips, to heal them it's best if you use it overnight. And I was looking for the problem. I couldn't find much, but it's just that one problem, that it ends up a whitish layer on your lips if you go overboard with it. And I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed. This lip balm has quickly become my go-to product, my favorite non-tinted lip balm. The stick is very convenient to use. Overall, I highly recommend this balm to anyone in need of a reliable and effective lip care product. It provides excellent hydration, heal dry lips, and has a mild pleasant fragrance. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.